Okay, here I have a Holeshot chronograph. It's a customer's watch. I've already taken off the back, cleaned the back, taken the back gasket off, and ready to put the new battery in. So I date the battery. Back gasket that it takes is one of those. I'll put the size in the description below. So yeah, I've already put one in the silicone greaser, so put some silicone on it. That one doesn't quite sit in there, so just a little bit of a stretch. Take the stem and crown out. With the Holeshot chronograph, it doesn't have a seal inside the case pipe. It has one in the crown. So I just put some silicone on the outside of the case pipe tube. I'm going to push that back in, twist it as you're pushing in. Just check, see if it's clipped in. It's clipped in there now. And tighten the case back up, not too tight. There we go, battery fitted. Then I'll put in the tester and make sure it's not going to leak. So this is the Holeshot chronograph movement. It's an ETA plastic, the steel case back. It's all sealed, so you can't repair this one. So it's an ETA G10-711, but the replacement for it is G10-712. Okay, I've changed the battery now, and you might notice that the chronograph hands don't reset back to 0. So I'm going to go and show you how to change that back to the right settings. So all the way out into the hand setting position, we'll change the minutes on the chronograph, pushing this top button. If you push the crown back in, put it into the date setting position, you'll be able to adjust the chronograph hand with this bottom button. Then with this top button, you'll be able to do the 100th of a second. If you hold it in, it goes around rapidly. Push it back in, make sure it's locked in, free spin. Then when you start and reset the hands, I'll go back to 0. Just another tip with the Holeshot chronograph and a lot of other watches. When you go to change the time or the date, if you're got the hands in the position where they're going to change at midnight, the date, you see the date's going to change there. If you try and change the date when it's in that area, it can affect the date wheel. So it might affect the little gears that the date have, and that's struggling to change over that one in that position. So if I just move those out of the way so the date isn't trying to change over, now it's not having a problem changing the date. So it's normally about from say 7 o'clock to 12 o'clock midnight, you'll have issues with the date and the gears engaging. So just make sure you're changing the date when it's not about to do that process.